In this video, I'll show you how to create high-quality AI videos for free, the exact method people are using to go viral right now. This isn't a basic tutorial, this is a real, practical workflow you can start using today. So watch carefully and don't skip any step, because this workflow only works when you follow everything properly. Now open ChatGPT and type, "A man walking in a garden slowly transforms into a helicopter and then flies away." Click Generate. ChatGPT will create the best image prompt for this. Now your image prompt is fully ready. If you still want to add something, you can tell ChatGPT. For example, a majestic dragon made entirely of water, rising out of ocean waves with perfect physics and motion. If you want to create something more unique, you can command ChatGPT like this. Now click Generate. ChatGPT will give you another high-quality second image prompt. Now we will upload this prompt into Google Vids and generate images. Copy the first image prompt. Now go to the browser and type Google Vids. You will see the Google Vids website. Click on it. Now you have entered the Vids interface. Don't look anywhere else. Directly click on Get Started. Now you will see the full interface of Vids. Now look at the right side. You will see tools like video, avatar, voiceover, music, image, record, upload, stock footage, captions, text, templates. Now we want to generate images, so click on Generate an Image. Now you will see a box open below. Paste the first image prompt here. Below you will see aspect ratio, select size according to your need. We will select 16:9 thumbnail size. Next you will see style options. Select photography. Now click Create Image. Wait for a few seconds. Vids will generate a high-quality image. Now click on the image. It will appear in the timeline on the left side. Click Insert. Now below the image, you will see Convert to Video. Click on it. Now look at the right side. Click on Animate an Image. You will see two options. Keep Animate an Image selected. Now go back to ChatGPT and type. Write a smooth video prompt for the first image. ChatGPT will generate the video prompt. Copy the prompt. Now go back to Vids. Paste the video prompt here. Select 16:9 ratio. Click Generate. Wait for some time. Now click on the video. Now let's generate the second image. Go to ChatGPT. Copy your second image prompt. Now come back to Vids. Select Image Tool. Paste the prompt into the box. Select 16:9. Ratio, choose Style, click. Generate, wait a few seconds. Now your second image is ready. Click on the image. It will appear in the timeline. Click Insert. Now below, click Convert to Video now. Again, go to ChatGPT. Type, now write the best video prompt for the second image. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate the prompt. Copy the video prompt. Go back to Vids. Paste the video prompt. Select ratio, click Generate. Wait a few minutes. Now click on the video. It will appear in the timeline. Click Insert. Now click Play. For more free tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and thanks for watching this video.